Hi, this is David Mehmet, and I wanted to do my follow-up video to the video I had posted on October 27th, 2015, which was a prediction for chart 72. Um, After that prediction, charts 73 and 74 hit because of the patterns of the lotto balls and machines that were coming out. 72 had not hit at that time, but it looks like there could be an opportunity for it to hit again, and I'll tell you why. Here is New Jersey Lottery, okay, and look what hit today. Chart 73, 7332. 73 is the lowest winning digits, okay, designates the chart numbers. So you had, look what hit the day before. So you had 77. So 77, 10. So what this could have also translated to was 71 chart. So chart 77, chart 71, chart 70. Okay, and then it went chart 73, chart 72. Could have translated. And so, in other words, the sevens, the ones, the zeros, the threes, the twos are coming up, and a lot of starting to come up in the lotto patterns. So it could be possible that 72, chart 72, could be on its way to hit um, very soon, if not tonight. So let's see. It's been over 30 days that 72 hasn't hit. Here's the last time 73 and 74 hit. Okay, and all right. So that was about a month ago. Actually, not a month ago. It was about a little over 10 days. Okay, good. So a little over 10 days, and look what happened. Bam, 70 charts hit. Okay, so this follow-up video is just to say that there's a possibility that 72 could come up. So how do you play that? You basically go to Lottodds, choose pick 4, and put in the first digit would be a 7, second would be 72. All right, and then here's what you'll see. You'll see a chart with 100 numbers on there. As you can see, the draws 20 and 70 are being flashing, which means these are days. It means that in over 30 days, 72 has not hit. If you click the 70%, meaning this is the percentage probability that within winning numbers, which means that 70% of the numbers here are within the range of winners. Okay, so this is where the winners are being drawn from, if there are going to be any possible winners in this chart tonight or in the near future. So in other words, you would not choose any of the ones that are not flashing, but you choose only within the flashing. So that's one way of doing it. Now the second way is to go and look at from, let's see, take January 2015. Okay, let's do that again. January 2015. Okay, the first. Hold on, I gotta take that off. All right. All right, let's do this January 2015, first, and then, okay, here the second, now search. All right, 70% probability, and there we go. Look at that. Look at that. You see what I told you? Look at all where the winners are. You see? They're in the 70% probability range. All right, I'm wondering how many numbers would play 72, 97, 72, 89 outside the probability range, and they would never win. And they're wondering why. Anyway, so as you see in the first row, you see how the first row has not hit yet? That row tends to be a very hot row. Let me take this off flashing. Let's go. Let me show you. Let's go to 2014, same date range. Look, there's a hit there, right? At least one, right? All right, so let's go 13. I think there's no hits in 13, but there is. Here's another one, right? Let's go in 12. Is there any hits in 12? 2012. No, not in 2012. How about 2011? 2011. Yes, 2 hits there. 2010. 2010, 2010. 2 hits, another 2 hits. 2009, 2009, 2009. Another hit. How about 2008? So far 1 year was no hit, but so far the majority hits. Another 2 hits. Let's even try 2007. Another hit. Okay, so what's that telling you? That's telling you that the first row is hot. Okay, this is where you should be concentrating. Here, 70% probability range. These numbers here. Okay, see where it starts at 73? Right, exactly. So there is a good chance, if the lottery balls and the machines, the patterns are starting to hit in the sevens, okay, and there's a 7 and there's a 2, okay, it could probably hit 72. Let me show you something. Look at pick 3, and I'll tell you, you'll see the patterns in pick 3, okay, and then you'll understand what I'm talking about even clearer here. Look at this pattern. Look at this pattern when the lotto machines and lotto balls start hitting the numbers. Look at this. Look at this. 1, 0, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. Down here. So you see that? You got the zeros, the ones, the twos, and threes. 0, 1, 2, 3. You see? You see? Patterns. You gotta, a lot of people who just look at these numbers, they don't see what I see. The eyes are not trained. They don't see the patterns. But there are patterns. And you need to learn how to identify them. You see? Look at the probability, 70. Look at where all the winning numbers are. Okay? There's order here. You got to know where the order is. You got to know where the patterns are. Now, here's another way of reducing the numbers to pick. For example, here, look. If you roll it over on the number 7203, look when these numbers came out. 2011, 2014, right? Look at the next one, 2011, 2013, and 83. And then next one, 08, 2008, 2013, okay, 2005, 2009, 2001, 1989, I would not play 1207, okay, 2000, I would not play 7208, that was 7207, and 7208, I wouldn't play it. How about this one? Yes, I would play that one. It's got more hits. So do you see where you would play? 7203, 7204, 7205, 7206, and 7209. And one of the key aspects to winning, okay, is consistency. Pick your numbers and continuously play them until this chart is not hot anymore, or in other words, until you see, let me go back to pick 4 chart, until you don't see the 7s coming up, the 2s coming up like this. Because this is showing you that the lotto balls and machines are pulling up the 7s and the 2s, which can later translate into 72. Good luck.